Here we go. FMS butterfly. Comes with the transmitter, the full package, battery, charger, 352 millimeters. Let's see more info. Here's some specs here for you. Just a single cell LiPo. Pretty small and light. FMS models. Just came today from GearBest. Open her up, see what's in there. Okay, what do we got? Operating manual. Pretty simple, not much to it. Safeties, friendly reminders. Install the gear, install the battery, bind it, fly it. That's about it. Got a little crash course on how to fly and what stick does what. Looks like we got a spare prop. What do we all got here? A spare prop. Pretty flexy little guy. Here's the landing gear. Let's see the charger. And you got a little tiny screwdriver there. USB charger. Pretty straightforward. Looks like you can charge two of them at a time. Cool. Oh. Doesn't actually come with batteries. I shoved those in there, but here's what you got. Looks like we got a dual rate switch. 2.4, some reversing. Get that off of there. Doesn't feel too bad. Gimbals are adjustable. Takes 4 AA's. Like I said, it doesn't come with any. I put that in there. Not sure what this is, but charger or trainer or something maybe. Maybe they use it with a different model. Okay. Check out this bad boy. That looks like it there. Pretty small and light. Here's the little tiny battery. Looks overall good condition. Tail skid. Should be good for some indoors. I'm going to fly it outdoors, obviously. Let's see here. Where's that landing gear go? Here's where the battery plugs in. It's a little tiny battery. This looks like a walk-era kind of plug. Shows it going into where the servos and stuff are here, so. Oh, I see, right in the very bottom here. It's a little tiny slot for that little tiny thing to go into. Alright, we're back. I did finally get it in there. I had to pinch it together. And then I used a pliers like this and kind of clamped it in there. But I had to pinch it together really like the U shape. It was a little too big, but anyways, it's in there. Hopefully it'll stay in there. So there she is. Or if there's enough juice in it for it to go. Let's find out. Bound right up. Oh, so the rudder's not the rudder. The other one's our rudder. Goes the right way. See if we got some throttle. Got pretty good pull. I guess it does have dual rate. Let's see if you can see that. It's just a tiny bit. That's going to be cool. We'll get her charged up and get it outside and see what happens from there. Clips in there pretty good. Awesome. There you go, guys. Hope you like it. We'll come back. We'll make a flight with her. See how that goes. Like, comment, subscribe.